I am happy to learn that Sri Sridhar Kamath Bambolke's friends, well-wishers and admirers are celebrating his 50th birthday on 2nd August. Sridhar was my student in Nejadi Almada High School. He was a well-behaved, disciplined student. But we came closer when he joined RPRS High School in 1982 as an art teacher. As a teacher, Sridhar was ever ready to shoulder any responsibilities that were given to him. And he was in the forefront for raising funds for the school building and infrastructure development. As an art teacher, he channeled the creative urge of children for constructive purposes. He added clay modeling and puppetry in addition to drawing and painting in his curricular activities. As a dramatist, he helped the students to excel in dramatics. RPRS is the only school in Goa which has bagged about 20 first prizes and many individual prizes in one-act play competitions in the last 25 years. The credit goes to Sridhar. And RPRS is known for skits, one-act plays, dramas in its school life. Truly, Sridhar is a friend, philosopher and guide to the students. To the people around, he is a friend in need. I have very close relations with Sridhar. To me, he has been a friend, always a friend in need. When his friend celebrates his 50th birthday, I wish him all the best. May God shower his choicest blessings on him and his family so that he may serve Goa for years to come.